In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about 7 free businesses that you can start in 2025. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1, a faceless YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people don't even know what I'm talking about, but you've seen those videos online where it's a news channel, or it's a sports channel, or it's an AI channel, you name it. It's just simply faceless. Gaming channels, it's faceless. You don't have to see your face. It's faceless. That's the whole purpose of it, right? Create niche content using AI tools like ChatGPT, text-to-speech, and stock footage. Pick topics like finance, motivation, or celebrity news, which probably will get the most views, and monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, and or digital products. That's a great way to kind of jump into the game, but YouTube is honestly probably the most effective way to do it if you're going to do it, right? Number 2, digital product sales like Gumroad or Stan Store. Use free tools like Canva and ChatGPT to create ebooks, templates, or mini courses. Now, to create ebooks, templates, or mini courses, you have to have something that you're teaching. There has to be, you can't just create templates on nothing. So you got to have something that you're interested in, that you can teach to other people, you can give to other people in the form of ebooks, templates, or mini courses. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Stan with zero upfront costs, right? Profit margins equal nearly 100%. Now, you can do this all for free. There's a lot of work on the front end. However, on the back end, you make a lot of money doing it that way. And maybe that's something I'll do as well. I think I got the hiccups. Number 3, content writing or copywriting services. Start offering blog posts, social media captions, emails, or sales copy on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Upwork. Use free tools. You can use like Grammarly or ChatGPT to boost your delivery. Now, this one's a little bit harder to probably get, but this is more like a corporate thing. So you can reach out to companies, restaurants, businesses. You're not gonna really get many customers if you just reach out to individual creators, because individual creators like to have their own flow and feel. But if you want to get into the corporate side of things, it's definitely a way to go. It's definitely something you can for sure do. Number 4, Instagram page monetization. Grow a theme or niche page, fitness, quotes, Christian motivation, business tips, etc., and monetize through shout outs, affiliate links, or selling digital products. You can grow fast using Reels and carousel posts. Now, you see a lot of these as well all over social media. I'm sure you've seen dozens and dozens and dozens of these, where it's kind of like a YouTube faceless page, but for the smaller platforms like Instagram or like TikTok, where you can go on and you can post just day-to-day motivation for somebody or for a group of people, finance tips, etc., and then have links going to other places. Or if it grows to a certain point, people will ask you for shout outs and they can pay you that way. There's different ways to monetize once you already have the following, right? Number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products like Amazon, ClickBank, or course platforms using content on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, right? Earn commissions for every sale you refer, no product needed. So for these business, typically you'll have an Amazon link. You can put it in like the bottom of your descriptions, or you can put it in your bio, different places that people can go and they can look at, hey, well, here's Sam's top 15 or top 10 favorite books. If you go to my description right now, at the very bottom, I have affiliate links on what my favorite books are, based on like mindset and finance and stuff like that. And so you can go down there, click on a link. What happens is it'll take you or redirect you into Amazon or whatever website that I'm using or that you're using. And what will happen is that once you purchase that product, I get a commission from it for basically sending you to them. And so having affiliate links on your videos where people are going to go, there's going to be a lot of traffic, will definitely over time start to add up. Number 6, newsletter business. Start a free newsletter using Beehive or Substack. Choose a specific niche, finance, faith, health, tips, and grow with consistent content. Monetize through sponsors, affiliate links, or paid subscriptions. Now, newsletter business is cool. I think podcast is better, right? Now, I know they're not the same. However, they kind of are, right? So on With a podcast, yes, it's you're doing it weekly. It depending on what the podcast is for, you can do like a newsletter podcast where you're talking about the news and talking about things that are happening throughout the world or throughout, you know, whatever you're interested in. But you can still choose a niche. You can still grow content. You still monetize through sponsors and affiliate links and paid subscriptions. And you can use something like Patreon or there's another one that's I can't think of right now, but subscription models here on YouTube or on Instagram. And so I just think that instead of a newsletter, I think that a podcast is just the better way to go. And then last but not least, number 7, social media manager for small brands. Offer to run Instagram or TikTok pages for small businesses. Most business owners want visibility but hate posting. You can start by managing 1 or 2 local brands for free in exchange for testimonials, then scale out, right? Now, this one, again, if you're not good with social media, it's not going to be a good one for you. If you love social media and you want to go and grow your social media presence or business, then by all means, this is the way to do it. But you want to start with small brands. A lot of small brands are going to be like your local realty company, your a lot of roofing companies, you know, just you can literally pull up a map, find a section of where you live within a 15 to 20 mile radius, and then just literally go down the list of all the businesses in that town or in your city. Now, if you live in a bigger city like Dallas or something like that, it's going to be a lot harder, simply because a lot of these businesses are more corporate. But if you live in a smaller town, this is a piece of cake, right? All you do is call in, you ask them, hey, you ask them about social media, if they do social media, if they want to do social media, maybe set up a sit down with them where you can sit down one-on-one, meet them, and then you offer your services that way. And so there's a ton of people on social media that will teach you exactly how to become a social media manager. So I suggest you go and check out some of those pages and stuff like that. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. Those are 7 businesses that you can start today, literally today, in 2025, and generate income for yourself. And by the end of the year, 6 months from now, I think that you could genuinely be out of your job. And so, again, those are number 1, faceless YouTube channel. Number 2, digital product sales. Number 3, content writing. Number 4, Instagram page monetization. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Number 6, newsletter or podcast business. And last but not least, number 7, social media manager for small businesses. So, I hope the video helps. I hope you know that you guys take action from this video and don't just let it sit. But if you did enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.